Hey guys, here is a Snow White Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan. This fan is the 42-inch version and it is from June 18th, 1986, and it was the 823rd fan made that day. This was a Facebook listing today. I just saw it go up, and since it was relatively close to my house, I went and grabbed it. It's not in the best condition. The blades are really starting to chip up. So those might need to be repainted soon. But otherwise it works fine. It was only missing one of the blade arm screws, but everything else was there. And these are big childhood fans for me, especially the white ones, because there was a movie actually, and it was called Uncle Buck. I think it came out in 1989 or 1990, and one of the scenes had one of these with a bunch of clothes attached to the blades. I guess the person was trying to dry the clothes with the fan. But that's what I mainly remember this fan from. But never saw one in person, but just seeing in that movie made a lot of good childhood memories for me. But anyway, it's starting to rain outside. It's weird, probably hearing that rain noise. But anyway, I'll start it off on low. It's a very quiet fan. Don't hear any noise from it or humming. Here's medium. And we'll kick it up to high. Cranks out some good air right now. There are some imperfections on the paint, but that's okay. You can see those blades are getting towards the end there. They're not looking too hot. So those might get a repainting at some point if I ever install this somewhere. which is very likely. There's the tag. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.